Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to customize our text-to-speech application in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for text-to-speech options? Of course, in the settings. Then we are looking for accessibility menu, here it is, and in talkback we have settings, and in here we have verbosity. And here we have every option that we can turn on or turn off as we see fit. We can change everything. We can also use presets. High, every setting is turned on, or low, every setting is turned off. And of course, in the custom option, we can turn on or off whatever option we need. That's all, no need to save, just back out to the main screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.